Ivy here. Ever feel like your day is slipping away and you can't catch up? Today, let's talk about how you can use AI to organize your daily schedule into manageable blocks. This approach helps you break down your tasks into focused chunks, allowing you to stay on top of your priorities with ease. Imagine starting your day with a clear plan where each task is neatly slotted into a specific time block. AI can be your personal scheduling assistant, helping you make the most of every hour. First, let's look at how AI can help you prioritize your tasks. By analyzing your to-do list, AI can suggest which tasks are most urgent or important, ensuring you focus on what truly matters. It can also set reminders for deadlines so you never miss an important meeting or appointment. Next, AI can suggest the best times to tackle specific activities based on your personal habits and energy levels. Are you more productive in the morning or late afternoon? AI can learn your patterns and recommend when to schedule tasks that require more focus or creativity. Additionally, AI can help you avoid burnout by ensuring you have breaks scheduled throughout your day. It can remind you to take a walk, grab a snack, or simply breathe for a moment. This way, you maintain your energy and focus throughout the day. Finally, AI can adapt your schedule as things change. If a meeting runs over or a new task pops up, AI can help you adjust your plan without stress. Tune in tomorrow as we explore how AI can help you track your habits. Until then, keep making the most of your day.